Hello friends, I am back again with a new presentation on the topic Layout of Brooks Brothers. Introduction. Brooks Brothers was founded by Henry Saints Brooks in 1818 as a family business. The privately owned company is owned by Italian billionaire Claudio Del Vecchio. Its headquarters on Madison Avenue in Manhattan, New York City. It's a 200-year-old company. In 2002, recorded $650 million in sales, and the tagline is "Original American Brand." If talking about color combination, as there is a different impact of color on everyone, so they chooses according to their need, desire, trend, and what their eyes catches the first, and so on. About offers. They set their offers in front of the main gate. Offers are displayed so as to attract the customers. Ways of displaying. There are many ways of displaying. As in this store, there are both vertical and horizontal display, table display, garment rack. About creative and challenges. Challenges. Convincing career builder that Brooks Brothers is a standard for professional dress. Creative. What they wear reflect confidence. People entering new situation in their life are hypersensitive to self-image. Accessories. Belts, ties, bags, perfume, shoes, and etc. Promise. As Brooks Brothers is the gold standard for professional dress, known for quality and signature look, worn by rich and famous, as it is a luxurious brand, it gives classic looks. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.